these are Easter eggs.
This is Easter egg.
Yeah, and somebody is gonna fill them up with candy and other toys, and they're gonna put them all over the ground. And we are gonna go hunt for them. I'm gonna go put them on the ground, and then you go find them and you put them in your basket. Do you want one of these to be your basket?
Yeah.
Do you want the yellow chicken?
Yep.
Yeah? Say, Dada, we need you to hide the eggs. I'll wait for you. We're gonna practice. We're going to Easter egg hunt at my mom's church. Where did the bag go? Where did the eggs oh, you got them in your hand? Is Daddy coming? I gotta put them all together.
No,
So they're whole.
Oh, I did it.
You did, you opened it. Let me see your basket.
No, I want to hold it.
I know, I'm gonna give them back. Here. Did you tell Daddy to come?
Dad.
Here, let me hold it. You go tell Daddy, okay?
No, I want to hold it.
I know, you'll get it back, I promise.
I promise.
Yeah, you'll get it back and Daddy's gonna hide all the eggs. This is a little chicken basket that I made.
Dad just coming.
He is?
I want to hold it.
You wanna hold these?
Yeah.
Okay. That's so cute. And then I made a pink bunny for me, and I'm gonna make a blue bunny for Coda, but I didn't get that made.
Hi.
Say we're gonna go Easter egg hunting.
I think go Easter egg go
Can you say Happy Easter?
Happy Easter.
Can you say I love candy?
I love candy.
Can you show me your Easter basket? Here, show this.
You're looking.
Are you peeking?
Yes, he's peeking.
There's so many. You're silly.
I want some more.
Okay. All right, you want to hold my hand? All right.
Oh my goodness. You excited?
Ready? Go! There, look, there's one right there. Can you get it? Go! Whoa! Yeah, everybody's going. You gotta pick as many as you can. Look, there's a big one right here. Look. Can you get it?
I saw a piece of candy.
Pick them all up. Here, there's one right here.
That's a water.
Mm-hmm. Look, see if Coda got an egg. Can you go ask Coda? He's over here. Coco! Did you get an egg? Did you get an egg? Can you put it in your basket? Oh, Skittles! All right.
Check it out. That's Coda's egg there.
It is raining.
Whoa!
It's like, oh, give me the plants.
It's like a school.
Good morning. Hi, happy Easter.
I want to go to Easter.
You want to go do Easter? You want an Easter egg hunt? Where are the eggs?
Oh, no, it's not.
Look, Daddy sees eggs.
Get the eggs, bud. Yeah, get the
There's
eggs.
so many. There might be. There might be candy. Open it. What's in it? Is that a candy? Yeah, put it in your basket. Put it in your basket. Is it a piece of candy?
Huh?
What you got?
It's raining.
Say Happy Easter.
Hello.
It's raining. Come on, hurry, hurry.
Yeah.
What you got?
Little pig car.
Let's see. Here you go.
Look at that.
Your Easter basket.
Look at your Easter basket, buddy.
Over here. Look. On the fireplace.
What is it?
It's called Bob's
Wow.
Here, take your basket. You put that egg in here. There you go. Good job.
Good job.
You're always like one or two short, and like 6 months later, it's like, oh, there it is.
Mine is not candy.
There's something
There's
in
not
there,
candy?
You just can't hear it.
Can you open it? Let's see what's in it.
Oh,
There was candy.
I was candy.
There was candy and you were throwing it away.
Silly. All right, put it in your basket. We just got home. I don't know if you can see, but I am covered in vomit. Coda is sick and he threw up everywhere. So we had to come home. Yeah, so that's how our Easter is going. Hope yours is better. I'm gonna go take a shower.